Game 3 ng PBA Semifinals, Ginebra versus Rain or Shine. And Coach Sheng started with David sa point guard position and drills the first points of the game. Pero kasi hindi naman yan yung magiging main work niya. He is there to contain RJ Abarrientos. Tingnan nyo kung last game. Sa last video, lagi kong pinopoint out yung mga comfortable shots sa duo ng Ginebra. Masasabi mo talagang ibang level yung PBA kaysa sa ibang liga dito sa atin. Kasi yung preparation, film sessions, adjustments. Ito, wala nang comfortable possession kay RJ. Pati ni rin kay Brownlee kasi Chongson is back na rin. And need ng Ginebra na mag-step up yung other guys kaya makakakita tayo ng scoring scatty. Iba talaga pag merong Kaylan Chongson yung Rain or Shine. He is making it hard kay Brownlee to get his looks. Rough shooting din talaga for JB. Pero ang kwento ng opening frame, matatabunan yan lahat. Lahat ng adjustments sa explosion ni Andre Karakot. Pagpasok niya pa lang nung libre, tira agad for the 3-point shot. Here, another chance. Konting space lang, pukol na naman. 2 out of 2. Then, heat check na lang to eh. Tough shot sa corner, pero pasok na naman. Grabe naman yan. Kahit yung mga ganitong tira pumapasok pa rin using the glass. Actually, kakaiba yung ganitong init eh. Pag shooter ka, will hit back-to-back shots, then mintes yung third shot mo. Pero si Karakot, meron pang pang-limang sunod na 3-point shot. Whew! And kaya naman pala, merong nanonood. Damn! Ganyan pala talaga yun eh, no? Sa second quarter, ganun pa rin yung Rain or Shine. Actually, yung binigay ni Coach Sheng kay JB is same persons from last game. Ang pinagkaiba lang is nakitaan na natin ng effort na pahirapan man lang si JB. Kahit si Santillan is nag-e-effort, si Manaytay. Yun lang naman yung gusto ni Coach Sheng eh. Makita niya yung defense mo na you are trying. Speaking of trying, ganun din si Karakot. Naging point of attack kasi siya ng Ginebra. Siya yung ina-atake. Pero I think yung 2 possession are all offensive fouls. Pero yun, but again, he is trying also eh. Kesa nung mga nakaraan, nakikita natin siyang parang Harden na standing expedition lang. So yun, hindi lang defense yung dala ni Kaylan Chongson for Rain or Shine. Yung kanyang outside is also on display sa first half. Hitting timely baskets para makontrol pa rin nila yung laro. And what an effort kay Nocum to end the half. Parang dating Scottie Long dun, you know? Skying high for the rebound, then put back. Sheesh! In the third quarter, kakasabi lang natin kanina, 'di ba? Yung adjustment ng Ross sa looks ni Brownlee at RJ. Kaya makakapanood tayo ng scoring Scottie for sure. And here it is. All the help on JB. Pass it to Scottie and goes for the layup and one. And then nung nagka-turnover ang Ross, Scottie runs and what a finger roll layup, another 2 points. Then ayun, higpit talaga ng defense kay JB pero maraming weapon ng Ginebra. And willing passer si Brownlee. He is not selfish. Scottie, na libre pa sa labas, 3-point shot in the corner. What a surge para sa Gen Kings sa third period.
Pagod kayo, di nyo kaya, sabihin nyo! If you cannot get back on defense, you tell me!
Kakasabi lang dito ni Coach Sheng na magsabi kung pagod na at di makababa. Pero right on cue, Scottie Thompson with a fast break finish. Here, hindi na ma-maintain ng Ross yung kanilang good defense for 4 quarters. RJ Abarrientos got the look he wants, hits a big 3-point shot. Pati na rin si JB, dumagdag pa ng 3-point basket. And for Rain or Shine, kakaiba yung puso ni Kaylan Chongson. Siya yung nagtatry to make the game close. 3 sunod na 3-point shot para sa kanya and Rain or Shine is here. Grabe talaga yung series na to. Walang tapon. Pero para talaga sa Ginebra eh. Sakit na nila to yung set, napaubos na yung shot clock, tapos top shot yung mangyayari kapag broken play. Scottie Thompson, kahit may tao sa harap, 3-point shot! Ayan na rin yung naging dagger sa larong to. Some takeaways is Nocum is electric pero he needs to take care of the ball. Meron siyang 7 turnovers dito sa game 3. They also need to study kung paano i-hide si Karakot on defense kasi ayun yung nagpasira ng kanyang hot shooting nung nag-start yung Ginebra na i-exploit siya on defense or maybe try-hider pa talaga. Show na he can really defend or else mawawala ka talaga ng minutes eh. Silver lining din yung return ni Kaylan Chongson. Alam natin na kaya nila to. Na-solve na yung RJ at JB looks pero yun nga, hindi na maintain ng buong quarters or buong game. Hindi naman naging ready sa explosion ng isang player with Scottie Thompson. 25 points. And hindi ko alam kung itutuloy ko to. I know this will be a hard one to swallow na sasabihin. Baka magkaroon ako ng maraming basher ha. But I think the Rain or Shine vloggers should stop posting first dito sa playoffs. Let everyone know na they are locked in. I don't know, pero nagbabacklash kasi ngayon eh. Sorry, pero ayun na. Kinda let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Egon Noob. See you in the next upload. Bye-bye.